Hi, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will have the good things that we can do on the 26th of July 2021 on a Monday. This is based on the energies for that day, and viewers' discretion is advised. Let us start. Okay, so these are the activities that you can do on the 26th of July 2021 on a Monday. First, this is a good day to ask help from your leaders or higher authorities. Next, this is also a good day for social interactions. It's also a good day to join clubs or organizations. Next, it's also a good day to resolve your current issues. Next, it's also a good time to focus on innovation, a good time for men to spend time with their lovers or fathers, and it's also a good day for business and expansion. It is also a good day or time to delegate and a good day to spend time with friends and siblings. It's also a good day to love yourself. It's also a good day to show your gifts and intellect, a good time for mothers to spend time with their children, and it's also a good day to create original stuffs. This day is a good day for activities where you want to set a long lasting outcome. For example, it's a good day for marriage. It is also a good day for official business openings and also a good day to hire very important employees. And it's also a good day to seek medical treatment that will result to permanent cure. The following words have strong intensity for today: attraction, graceful, self discovery, and Adaptability. Okay, so hopefully you'll have a good day on July 26, 2021 on a Monday. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.